Good morning, everyone. So I'm here in San Sebastian, and I'm trying to decide what to do for a day trip. And I'm going to flip this around so you can see the square. And so they have these little things all over the place, I guess, like performance centers. But so what I thought was I wanted to go to the Paris French Open, and an easy way to do it is to take the day train, because you can fly, but it's expensive, and the train was actually a good deal. So they have a deal. They're between 30 and 59. Just turned 59. Oh, this is my station. I'm already here. That's why the lady was like, "Oh, you can take the next one because it's just this train station is right there." So the Amara. What I do, I go from the Amara train station here, then I go to the first stop in Paris, and in France. And then once I get there, I can take the SNCF. They had a really good fare, so I bought it's $49 with a card. It's good for a year, and it gives you a discount off of every ticket that you buy. So the ticket I bought, I think it was like 129 euros for the first class, and now it's under 97 euros. And I can use that ticket for a year, because if after a year, I'm not bothered anyway, because I'll be 60. So I can take this train, and I'll be there in 37 minutes, and then it's like 4 hours and 50 minutes into Paris. I'm gonna do a day trip into Paris, go see the thing, and then I'm gonna take the bus back. But there is a late. Well, if I take the bus back, then I don't have to do a hotel. So I'm gonna take the bus back, and it leaves at like 11 o'clock from Sketchy Bercy, and then it arrives here at like 8 o'clock in the morning or something like that. So that's the journey for today. We'll see how it goes.